Welcome to PaidToday, how to create a contact action. Let's go ahead and open up our contacts on the left hand sidebar here, and then let's go ahead and choose our first new contact, and we're going to go ahead and click the Actions tab. Now in here, all we want to do is click New Action. We're going to go ahead and give it a description. Send welcome letter, and then I'm going to say that's going to be due by next Monday. And then we're going to go ahead and assign it to our team member. We're going to save that action. Now, this team member will also be able to see this. There's a reporting. You can see all of your contact actions that are due and upcoming. I can also mark it complete as well. And we also have the edit button here. We can also choose to change the date, or maybe I had a typo or something, or add a little bit more information, and go ahead and save it. Now it's edited. If I want to mark it complete, I'll just go ahead and click that button. And this is the show completed. We can see what has been completed already. If we want to see those again, go back and look through them, or we can just leave that off.